Today on Just a Jeffries.
And there is the Jessie cat at my window. I think that's them. I can see them. Right. There. Yes, that. Ollie's going to come on in. There he is. Hello, mate. Hello. Here comes Mum and Savannah.
Go the other way. No, Ollie. Get out. Wait, can I have one? That's one. They're my biscuits, not yours.
Nicking Mum's biscuits again. Jessie, come on, run! Come on, Jess. Go on, Jessie.
Let's be a kitty. Jessie. Jessie, run.
Mini house tour, ready? So you come upstairs, the bathroom, Savannah's new room, a cupboard, Savannah's old room, which is now going to be Ollie's room, and then Ollie's room now, but possibly will be a study. Then you got the stairs. Then you come upstairs and it's the bathroom, as you can see. Mum and Dad's room. Then and on this dressing table is all kind of things that I love. Like I have my first Pandora bag, like a candle. It's from my Pandora charm that I got for Christmas. And then it's like a light up thing, which is when I have batteries. I need to put batteries in it. And then this is from awards night, so I got runner up on flag. And I made this Peppa Pig thing when I was in school for DT. This is a Nerdy Numbies cookbook. And then I got this from Secret Santa, and that was made during 2015 doing a show. This is what I got from last year from Awards Night Co. It's like a picture from what I was in 2016, and these are all my badges from doing Winter Guard and Colour Guard. All my medals. And there. I need to sort all this area out so it looks a bit messy. I got this when I was in New York. I put it at the Empire State Building. New York was amazing, honestly. Right. Got my shoes down there. So where to put you guys? You there? Yeah, that'll do. Nice lighting. It's just turn this off. I made this in Woodtech. It's like a baby monster. It's kind of cool. I am going to get my joggers and then put them on, and then I'll sort out my bag ready for Granddad's house. I don't know whether to put these joggers on or I put these ones on. They're both really comfy. I might go with these ones. Now I have them on. Joggers. And open the window. And it's my lovely view. It's my roof. We can't fit any birds, but we have a tree there before the birds there. Oh, you can see one. Somebody you may be wondering, why is there cat paws on here? So at night, my mum and dad normally like kick the cats out. So, and then they kind of like, when they get fed up of being outside, somehow, I don't know how, actually, it's actually quite confusing. They somehow get onto the roof. Well, it's only really Jessie gets onto the roof. So then once they get onto the roof, this is what I'm actually guessing, they would go over this bit and then come into my window. And then you can probably see there, dirt, scratches and marks. That's all Jessie scraping on my window like this. So at night it wakes me up. All I hear is this. I'm like, Jessie wants to come in. So that's my rant on what Jessie does, really. So, yeah. Woo. Hi guys. So I have a demonstration of how it is like to get Jessie from out the window. So I was just sitting on my bed casually and all I hear is on my window. Jessie is at my window. This window right here. Let's show you. So, look. So if you can see her, there she is. Let's open my window. Oh, you're right there, Jess. And there is the Jessie cat at my window. Come on then. Jessie, I am going to wait for what you're looking at. Jessie, come on. Oh, Jessie, come on. Come on. Hear her purring. Come on, Jessie. Jessie. What is she doing? What are you doing? Come on. Jessie. Come on. Jessie, come on. Here she goes. Here she goes. Here she goes. Oh, hey, there she goes. Then she comes to here and then boils down the stairs. Close my window. So that is what it's like getting Jessie in. Now back to what I was doing.